Mobility strategy in the enterprise is the future. It's how we're going to deliver services and capabilities to our most important business consumers.
A lot of organizations today are starting to implement mobile solutions, but what they're not taking into consideration is really the idea of environments and behaviors and devices that all come into play when you're considering the overall experience.
A lot of enterprises are looking to the IT organization to drive mobile, and the problem with that is that IT is solving a lot of the technology that's necessary, but they can't give you acute alignment to business priorities and business strategy.
Mobile solutions are very different than desktop solutions. It's a very personal and hands-on experience.
Business consumers are using their mobile devices to get work done everywhere, always. They're always on, they're always within arm's reach. That's where enterprise mobility strategy comes in. Our approach to enterprise mobility strategy starts with the business. For us, before anything else, it's about what this business is trying to do.
We put the strategy first. We work with our partners in the business to identify the important mobile moments their users experience. Then we share those ideas with users to see how they resonate and if they make sense.
At LDS, we've established 4 key tenets for a successful enterprise mobility strategy. Clarify business goals and priorities, understand needs and expectations of the business consumers, rationalize that with technology enablers and constraints, and plan for longevity.
You really need to clarify the business goals before you start a mobile solution. You really need that business strategy to be a grounding force.
There are so many possibilities when it comes to design, but that doesn't mean that you're going to provide any real value to the business or to their user. So you have to really clarify the goals up front with the business and design specifically with those goals in mind.
You need to understand with clarity and specificity the outcomes that you expect for the business and the business consumer.
To create a successful mobile experience, you need to know your audience.
Where are they? And what are they doing? Are they on a manufacturing floor? Are they traveling across the country in a plane? Do they have network connectivity?
You really need to understand your business consumers' behaviors, their environments.
You need to ask yourself, what is it your workforce will find valuable in a mobile context? And then you design specifically for those people and those features.
Mobile adds layers of complexity in a technology sense, but it also unlocks a range of valuable opportunities if you know how to exploit those.
Touch features, pinching, zooming, location detection. You have to really think about the flexibility of your design and how it's going to work across different device types.
Mobility strategy can have a long life. Mobile solutions can have a long life, but it's a mistake to think that you can fire and forget. Devices change, software changes, form factors change, and you need to be prepared to change along with it.
The best way to ensure longevity for a mobile solution is to have a plan. You never stop planning for the next cycle. It's a constant process of knowledge gathering and iterating and evolving.
How are you going to build on the rich experience that you've started with? There really is no end. There's a constant evolution of ideas and interactions, integrations that really build the rich experience that the enterprise needs.